Hey everyone, in today's video, we are recreating a digital magazine using Canva from designing our cover. So let's just get started. For that, let's head over to a browser and go to canva.com and log in with your account if you're not logged in yet. And once you are in this piece, in this search bar, you can type in magazine or select the option for magazine template. So we're gonna type in magazine here. And once you type in magazine, you can go over and select up the category. You can go to the template section instead, and from here, search for magazine and hit enter. And once you do, here you'll be finding all of the templates available that you can use. That should automatically give you the correct A4 or the latest size layout. So let's say I would like to use this one right here. So I can also select up the one that you would like to use and select the option for customizing the template. So head over and select it. And once you select the option for customizing the template, here you can go over and open up the Canva editor with all the pages ready to edit. So you can see we already have a customized Canva page here with a picture, even some article available. Now we just need to go over and customize it. So here we have the stock image. What we can do is we can replace it with our own photo or the Canva stock image. So you can select up the image and you can select the option for uploading and upload up your image instead of that image right there and delete the previous one. You can just go over and do so. So there we go. You can see the image being uploaded here and the previous image has been replaced. Apart from that, you can double click on the text boxes to edit the title, tagline, and the issue number. So here we have the title here. If you do not want that, you can type in your title that you prefer. And there we go, and see, and you can even look out for the tagline number, etc. And here are some articles available. You can choose over the title here. So I'm just going to type in magazine cover. And you can type in the title. Here are some other notes, etc. that you can customize according to your own choices. So you can add a different subtle overlay using transparency or any other features available to make your magazine pop up. So you can just go over and do so. And even add a page for your magazine if you prefer. So click on add page. And once you select it, here you can go over and edit the pages. You can go over and copy up the text and the images, etc. So just go over and copy it and you can paste it here and do over, repeat the process or change the articles, etc. And you can keep the consistent design, same fonts, margins, and spacing so that it will look good. You can even add a visual elements, etc. and make it more interactive. And once you're okay with it, you can publish it. For that, look out for the share option. Click on it and you can click on this option for download or publish it, and you can share it with people as well. And that way, that is how you basically design a Canva magazine this way. So you may follow up this process. For that, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.